It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Ecotec 3 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, integrated navigation system, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, active grille shutters, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.